Hey everyone, welcome back to the BytePhase channel. Today, I'll walk you through how easy it is to add device accessories in BytePhase CRM. Two simple methods to keep your workflow efficient. Let's jump right in. First, click the Job tab in the left sidebar to access your job options. Then, navigate to Job Settings and select the Accessories tab. Click the plus button to start adding a new accessory. Select the device type, enter the accessory name, and hit Save. That's it. You've added a new accessory. You can also add an accessory while creating a job. Just go to the Device Information section on the job form. Click the plus button next to the Device Accessories field. Enter the accessory name, click Save, and you're good to go, all without leaving the form. And that's how you manage device accessories in BytePhase CRM. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more quick and practical CRM tutorials. Got questions or ideas for another feature walkthrough? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to help.